You know, tell me what happened here?
Yeah, I had a seatbelt off and I went down the hill and a sieve flew into me.
Alright, mate. I'll see what I can do for you, alright, boss?
Yeah, go for it.
You able to take off your shirt for me? Alright, I'm seeing bit of mild bruising to your lower abdomen and also your waist. Some cuts on your arms. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rub some disinfectant on the injuries on your arms, and then I'm going to wrap them with some bandages. The bruising on your lower abdomen, that should go away by its own time. It doesn't seem to be anything internally wrong. What I am going to do though, just to make sure, is I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure on your lower abdomen. You got to tell me if this hurts.
Yep, go for it. Nah, it only mildly hurt. It wasn't too much to cause anything more. Just a mild pain.
Okay. You're not allergic to anything, are you?
No, nothing except for penicillin.
Okay. I will just give you some of that disinfectant on your arms and clean out those wounds for you, alright?
Thank you.
Shit. What the hell? Brother.
Old matey got fucked up?
Alright,
Yeah,
mate.
he didn't have a safety belt on.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, that should help with the injuries there.
Thank you.
Alright, what I'm going to do is
Sexy body.
I'm going to help you up. I need, when you get up, I just want you to slowly
He's
stand
so
up,
hot.
not jolt up, alright?
Yeah, I'll do that for you. Thank you.